Hello everybody, I'm Daryna Barykina, beauty photographer and a self-portraiture artist, and in this video I will show you how to remove stray hair and flyaways from your selfie photos. Today I teamed up with the app that so many of us love, and it's the beauty blogger's best kept secret, Facetune 2. Together we're going to show you one lighting setup that's very simple, but it's totally magazine worthy. I'm going to share some stunning posing tips and some smart editing techniques to help you remove stray hair and flyaways in your selfie photos. Now let's set up our light. I'll be using one continuous light for this tutorial, modified with the beauty dish and the honeycomb grid. If your light has a Bowen's mount just like mine does, it allows you to choose from a wide range of affordable modifiers and makes your light versatile, giving you that professional studio look. Beauty dish provides a soft light compared to the bare bulb. The honeycomb grid focuses light in one spot. And once again, this is continuous light setup, which makes it perfect for both your photo and your video. So now I want you guys to see what it looks like on me and what it looks like on the footage. Just adding that grid to the beauty dish creates such a big difference. All previous footage was filmed with just a beauty dish, and now we added the grid and look how much more depth we added to the image. Before we dive into the photo shoot, I need to freshen up a little bit, maybe change my top and put some curls in my hair to get some volume. So let me do just that and I'll be right back. So I added some curls and I changed the top to match the backdrop and make my hair stand out more. And now I'm ready for the photo shoot. Now let's talk a little bit about posing. I do have a few favorite angles and hair placements to show how you can make your hair the star of the show. Place hair over one eye for a dramatic and mysterious look and shoot straight on. Turn away, push hair back and tilt your head toward the camera for a sensual and demure look. When shooting profile, move your hair over the shoulder, round your shoulders, stick your neck out and lift your chin. Turn 3/4, place hair over one eye closer to the camera, look at the camera or look down. The photo shoot was quite successful. I got a great number of images that I could totally use. Well, right off the bat, I could tell that the frizzies and like little wispies were so noticeable on camera. Now let's open one of the photos in Facetune 2 and see how we can get rid of them. As I zoom in, I noticed not only flyaways on the rim of the hair, but also a lot of frizzies inside of the hair pattern. This time, we will be using tools unconventionally to help speed up retouching process. The first tool is defocus. I press auto, then move slider all the way to 100. Flyaways disappeared instantly, but now we have this weird halo. To deal with it, I need to refine the defocus mask. Using an eraser tool, I remove some of the selection to achieve clean edge with no halo. Let's see before and the after. This looks so much better. Now let's deal with the frizz inside of the hair pattern. I select retouch and pick matte tool. It is created to mattify skin actually, but we're going to be using it to mattify frizz. I zoom in and go over brightest stray hair pieces to make them less bright and make the entire look more polished. Well, before and after, just cannot lie. It looks so much better. Now, let's select patch and remove stray pieces that we couldn't mask with previous techniques. I select vanish tool and go over a piece I'd like to get rid of. This tool is so satisfying to watch, especially when you can see those imperfections just disappear on you. So great. Here is a secret trick for you. So if you're trying to remove a piece of hair by simply going over its shape, your results may look a little messy. So instead, try to wiggle your finger when you go over the piece, and this motion will help you achieve a better blend and makes your editing unnoticeable. This next step is completely optional, but I like it so much that I cannot skip it. Go to hair, and here you can enhance the hair color or recolor completely. Since my face is partially hidden, I need to tap and hold to help the app locate it. Now I select recolor and choose any bright shade. This will help detect areas that need touch-ups. I select fix and go over areas that were missed by automatic selection. Now let's pick a shade we'll be working with. This shade helps cool off some of the warmth my hair has, making it less yellow. I'm using recolor and blend sliders to achieve the desired effect. Now let's select glow. This tool adds contrast, making shiny parts of the hair pop even more. So last but not least is eyes. So once I started using this tool, I cannot stop. We're gonna go to color, and I choose white. So this color enhances my iris texture and makes the eye stand out. And this completes our work. Now let's see our before and the after. So our process was totally worth it, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for staying with me till the very end. And if you have any questions or comments, put them under this video and I would love to get back to you. But also, I would love to see you in my next videos. Well, bye-bye now.